So there's the loaf of bread that I was discussing yesterday. Let me just get a knife and we will cut it and see how it acts. Okay, this is the official bread knife. It's not the usual ham slicer that I like to use, but whatever. So, let's give it a shot. Trying to do this around the camera is vaguely interesting. It's still got a really crisp crust on it because I did not bag it last night. Oh, pretty. Look there. Now, this did not rise as high as I usually hope for, but I think that's secondary to having done this with like 1 packet of yeast. Never mind, I want some toast. That's gorgeous, look at that. We do actually have a bread slicing engine, not an engine, but a framework that you put in to get even slices. I couldn't be bothered to go looking for that right now. It's around here somewhere. That's Peter's apartment. Oh, gorgeous. There they are. The heel gets saved for himself. He likes the heel. So there it is. There is. We'll now lift the camera. There's yesterday's bread. That is half Odlum's wholemeal and half Odlum's strong brown flour and half their strong white flour, with half a packet of yeast. I don't recommend it. The rise took like 3 times as long as it usually does. That I attribute that partly to the wholemeal flour, which was half and half with the white flour, and partly to the lowered yeast content. What would normally be 3 hours total bread making time turned into sort of 8 hours. That said, the bread's probably just fine, as you can see. And the next thing you see will be it with toast, having been toasted, and loads of butter. Yay!